Good morning, everyone. I am Alfredo Ramon Arlipison Jr. And I'm going to discuss depreciation demystified, the straight line method. So, what is a straight line method? The straight line depreciation method. This method is the cornerstone of how businesses systematically allocate the cost of tangible asset like a piece of equipment or a vehicle over its useful life. The straight line method is the simplest and most widely used way to calculate depreciation. It assumes that an asset economic value declines eventually over each year of its useful life. The formula is very simple. The annual depreciation expense equals the cost salvage value and the useful life in years. So, the meaning of the formula is the cost is the initial price all all necessary costs to get the asset ready for use. The salvage value is the estimated residual value of the asset at the end of its useful life that the company expects to sell for it. The useful life is the estimated number of years that an asset will be used to generate revenue. So, this method results in the same depreciation expense being recorded in every period. When you chart the asset book value over time, it literally forms a straight line. So, here's the problem. A logistic company, Fast Track Delivery, purchased a new delivery truck. What is the annual depreciation expense and what is the truck's book value at the end of the year 3? So, during this problem, the initial cost is $50,000 and the estimated salvage value is $5,000 and the estimated useful life is 5 years. So, to calculate the annual depreciation expense, we're here to using the formula and the annual depreciation expense cost salvage value over years. So, here is the step-by-step formula of how to calculate the annual depreciation expense. So, $50,000 minus $5,000 over 5 years. So the annual depreciation expense is $45,000 over 5. So to round out, the annual depreciation expense is $90,000 per year. The company will record $90,000 in depreciation expense for the truck each year for 5 years. So we're here today to calculate the book value at the end of year 3. The book value is the asset cost minus its cumulative depreciation. So here is the step-by-step to solve the accumulated depreciation after years. So annual expense times number of years. So $90,000 times 3 years. If you're wondering ahan ni nakuha ni $90,000 sa 3 years, ang $90,000 di rin siya nakuha sa calculate the annual depreciation expense. And kaning 3 years kay dito ni siya nakuha sa problem magihatag. So the annual depreciation kay $27,000. To calculate naman ang book value is we have to use the cost minus cumulative depreciation. So, the book value is $50,000 minus $27,000. So, the book value is estimated to be $23,000 in a span of 3 years. The truck book value at the end of 3 years is $23,000. So the conclusion of this topic is the straight line method is a powerful tool for allocating the cost of an asset in a simple, systematic, and rational way. It's the go-to method for most businesses due to its ease of use and consistent impact on financial statement. Thank you for tuning to this financial report.